Good evening, guys. Welcome again. My name is Gabriel Sunday. So, we're having our class today, and all what we're going to cover in the Excel class is you have launching Excel. Any version you wanted to launch, either 2010, 2011, 2012, 2016. But right now, the one I have here is 2016, is what we are going to work on. And also, we are going to have entry information. Entry information. More so, we're having under file management, we are going to have how you are going to save your work and how to open files. We're also going to have to do changing existing information like undo or selecting cells, selecting columns or rows. Also, we have the fill and do copying information and extending series. We have the formulas and functions. The formulas we are going to use, we have orders of operation, we have functions, we have auto sum. We have also the manipulating the spreadsheet, which is changing column width, changing row height, inserting columns rows, and deleting columns rows. Formatting numbers, that is alignment of text and numbers. We have shorten data, we have filtering data, and we have charts. So a lot we are going to cover in this course. So right now, this is an Excel. These are templates. All these here are templates. You can see they are templates. So this is a blank space and you can start your work from the scratch. So you can see here, we have it here, down here, Excel. All your recent work, they are going to be here. From there, you can open your files. If you want to search for template from online to work on, you click here. After you sign in from this side, which is the logo like human here, you sign in. After you sign in, you can search for more online template to use. So now let's click here to see. As you can see now, this is an interface of an Excel. This is Excel interface. If you see everywhere, you can see here we have A followed by B, C, we have D, we have E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So as it is going the same way it goes, like if it reach Z, it still go to AZ. If you reach Z, it will go to AA, AB, AC, till FSD. So it's something like if you are scrolling, it will be like it's infinity. So you have a lot spreadsheet to work on. And down here also we have a one, the same thing followed by two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10 till 23, and it still go down till millions of space. If you keep scrolling, you see, as you can see, it's counting. Now we're in 50, we're in 77, 88, 90 till 100,000 till it reach million. So there's enough spreadsheet for you to work on. As you can see now, this is an Excel interface. Here we have ribbons. Firstly, here they wrote book one Excel. That is the title bar. Book one Excel. The title of what you're working on will be here. Either you write school data. So the school after you put the school data will be saved where this book one is. So that is the title bar. Here we have ribbons. Ribbons are here. Here like this, from this side to here we have ribbons. We have a lot of functions they do like this. Here ribbons. If you click insert, it has some ribbons under it. You see now these are the ribbons under insert. Here we have the page layout which has some ribbons under it. We have the formula, you see, we have the data, we have the review, we have the view, we have the power pivot, and we have the X center, which is tell me what to do. If you need help, you click there, it's going to help you out. So this is the interface of an Excel. Here like this place we have here, we have the name box, that is what this place is. And here we have the formula bar. We have the formula bar here. That is the formula bar down there. And here, like this, we have the row. The row. We have the row. So this is the row. Like this, row one. We have the row here. Also, yeah, we also have column also, and we have the designator, which is this here, this side like this is the designator. We have the row and we have the column. This is one column, this is another column. These are the rows. So like this is the row. And here you have the sheet. This is sheet one. Sheet one. This sheet one contains a it contains a rows of millions, while the column also is like from A to Z. From after you reach Z, you still go to A, B, A, B, A, C, till you reach S, F, D. So for the row. So here we have the sheet. If you need another new sheet, if you by clicking this plus or Control N, you go to the next sheet. You see now we have this another sheet. So this is the first sheet to work on. So this side we have the zoom. You can zoom to see something clearly. You can see zoom. That is the zoom areas. You see how you want to show zoom for proper viewing. Excel use tab like ribbon across the top. Each ribbon consists of a group. Each ribbon consists of a group of options that display when it is selected. Like as this is a ribbon which is home. So these are the group under the ribbon which are selected. We have the bold area, we have the font, format printing. This is the font here. We have the border here. We have the margin center, wrap text. We have the auto sum field which are under the home ribbon. Here under the insert ribbon also we have a lot of things. We have the table, the pivot table, the recommended pivot table. We have the online pictures. We have shapes. We have the chart here. We have the 3D maps. We have line, columns, win and lose. So under the page layout also we have different groups under it: the margins, the orientation, the size, the print area. We have the breaks, the background, the print titles under the page layout. The same thing for formulas also. So now we are in entering information. To enter information into your spreadsheet, you just bring your cursor down here. When the cursor turns to plus, then you click. So you can type whatever you wanted to type. Like now let me type my name. So now you see I type my name. So for you to be able to type on the second row, which is cell A2, this is the cell A2 here. So you click on enter. You see now the box has gone to the second cell. So you can type whatever you wanted to type again. Maybe like Monday. You type it. Then by clicking enter again, you go to the next cell, which is cell A3. Here we have all these cells here. They are cell A1, A2, A3. From Sunday, which is cell A1, Monday cell A2. So cell A1, 2, 3 till the year end. The same thing for here, which is B here. We have a B cell B1, which is this, cell B2, cell B3 is same thing to where it ends. This is cell C1, cell C2, cell C3, cell C4. So that is the same thing for cell B1, B2. This here, like this, from this one I choose like this is the cells. You see the way the circle, the square, the rectangle form. That is what we call cell. C-E-double-L-S, cell. So that is cell A3. So if I come to this side now, it becomes cell B3. So to enter any cell you wanted to enter, just take your cursor down there and click. Like here now, you click. Anything you click is going to type there. You see, anywhere you wanted to type anything, just take your cursor there, type, it's going to enter. So that is how to enter information into a cell. So let's practice this activity. Let's enter into the new sheet. You see now is the second sheet. So in the first cell, we are going to enter our first name. We enter our name. So let me enter my name, which is Sunday. Then you click enter. Go to the next cell. The next cell now I'm going to enter, maybe let me just enter some amount of money. Let me enter 100,000. So you click enter again, you go to another cell which is cell A3. So in cell A3 now, you are going to, let me just enter a number, maybe like 0.8. So you click enter again, you go to the next cell. So in the next cell now, we are going to enter today's date. And to enter today's date, you have to click on control and semicolon. So which is you hold the control button, you click on semicolon. You see, without typing, the date will come on its own. Hold control and you click on semicolon. So you see that is how to enter text. So to save it right now, you see now with this text you enter, you have to save. You come down over here, you click file. You can see now save, save as. This save, if you click, is going to save directly. If you want to save as, you click on save as. So you choose from your system where to save it to this PC. Now we click this PC. So it's going to bring it desktop or on that document. So you can say let's save on desktop. You click on desktop. Then any name you wish to type. Right now automatically is book one. So let me change it to my profile. You see, after changing to your profile, then you save. So it has been saved right now. You can exit. If you notice now, this is the desktop. You can see now under here that is it there, my profile. That is the work I just saved. So you click on it, it's going to open. As well as here, open. You can see now it's open. That is how to save in Excel. And the same way that is the process to open. You go to where you save it to and you open. Right now, what we are now is like changing existing information. Changing existing information to change the information which you have entered before. Just take your cursor down to the cell containing the information you wanted to change. So when you take it there, note the cursor flashing within this area. Move the cursor to the desired position and add or delete character as needed. So if you take your cursor down here now, let me say I want to change the Sunday to Monday. Take the cursor down there, double click. After you double click, you can delete. And if you don't want to delete, you can type. If you are not to delete but to add, then you continue typing. But if you want to delete, then you delete or you put what you wanted to add, which is Monday. I will change to, you see now it's changed to Monday. So this amount also, if you want to change, you bring your cursor, you click. You know, if you take your cursor there, you can type whatever you want inside. Let me change 200, like 200,000. You see now it's changed. So that is how to edit any information you wanted to edit. And in a situation where you made a mistake you want to undo, just take your cursor up here. You can see this thing here is undo. You can see now. If you notice when I take it down there, up there showing typing 200,000 in A2. Ctrl Z. So Ctrl Z is also a shortcut for undo. But if you want to undo, you click here. If I click here now, you see now it's changed. Has changed to 100,000. If I want to undo again, taking it there again, you can see now type undo typing Monday A1. So if I click now, it's changed back to Sunday, which we have before. And if you want to redo to change it back to Monday, you redo. You see now it's back to Monday again. So that is how to do and undo works. So undo and redo, that is how it works. So this now, right now, what we talk about selecting cell. If you want to select cell, you can come over here. Let me select this date now. Just let me select here.